Day 2 of Davos Summit is underway and WION is on the ground getting you all the latest updates. Gobind Singh Deo, Minister of Digital of Malaysia, spoke to WION regarding digitalization in Malaysia. Sanjay Kaul, MD or Managing Director and Group CEO of Gift City, also spoke to WION regarding Gift City and the expectations with Davos Summit.
My question to you is about Malaysia. What's the model or the way forward that you have taken when it comes to digitization and, of course, AI?
Thank you very much. Malaysia has just set up a Ministry of Digital. We are just about 2 years old now. And this shows you the emphasis that the Prime Minister has made and placed on ensuring that we are able to bring about digital transformation in our country as fast as we possibly can. We understand that today's subject is about AI. The question is, how do we ready our country for AI? There are 3 different areas that we're looking at. We're looking at building infrastructure. We're looking at ensuring there's also trust, and ultimately there's talent, so that if you have infrastructure which is trusted and secure, you want to make sure that people have the talent to actually use that infrastructure. Now, in all of this, we have realized that there are many challenges moving ahead. First and foremost, when it comes to data, we realize that there's a need for us to focus on digitizing data. Governments have lots of data. A lot of it needs to be digitized. Hasn't been digitized yet. It's still in analog form. It's still in visual form or a combination. So the question of priorities, how are you going to look at priorities and then decide what needs to be done first, so that you can make sure that there is impact that the people can feel with AI and digitization policies that you start to create. This is a conversation that expands way beyond just us at Ministry. It requires expertise, it also requires resources, and it requires people who can think about what we think future generation technology is going to be. So for that purpose, in Malaysia, we are now in the process of setting up a data commission. The data commission is going to be tasked with looking at where it is we need to go with data preparations in our country, so that we have the data that we need that will be able to empower those projects that we are going to push ahead with using AI.
For our viewers, just explain them the Gift City and your presence here at Davos.
Thank you. Gift City is India's only financial services center, international financial services center, a functional smart city spread over almost 1,000 acres between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. We have 2 zones, the International Financial Services Zone and the domestic area. Now, International Financial Services Center, which is there, it is the international gateway for India to access global markets, global financial markets, as vice versa also, for global financial markets to come into India. Now, we have come to Davos to strengthen our global positioning. We are already there as one of the major financial centers in this region. When I say this region, it's Asia-Pacific region. At this point in time, we are 43rd among the financial centers in the country. So we came here primarily to reinforce our positioning, to tell entities that we are progressing, we are growing by leaps and bounds. Those who have not come there or not taken a decision to be there in Gift City, you might as well do it now. Be a part of India's economic growth story. This is the time you have to be there.